A murder, a marriage, and millions of dollars all figure into a case to be heard by the state Supreme Court tomorrow. KITV4's Daryl Huff has been following this case for years now and joins us in the newsroom. And Daryl, sounds pretty scandalous.
It's pretty interesting, Laura. George Patrick Dubie was considered a skilled con man until he was killed by a jealous woman. The Supreme Court will decide whether his wealthy ex-wife can have their marriage declared void so she can get back millions he took in their divorce.
George Dubie was handsome and so charismatic, he convinced followers of his Kauai cult to steal for him. His life ended in gunfire in Thailand. The mother of several of his children confessed. For the last 3 years, one of his ex-wives, Herbalife co-founder Jerry CVITANOVICH, has been in court trying to get their marriage voided.
She was tricked and deceived by a con man who proceeded to rob her of most of her money.
Attorneys Howard Glickstein and Michael Green argued that Dubie committed bigamy by marrying CVITANOVICH after an invalid Dominican divorce. They say Dubie then divorced her and took a generous settlement.
We believe that that number is more than $18 million.
Attorneys for Dubie's children, who would be entitled to his estate, say CVITANOVICH was not duped and the marriage was real, a position so far supported by the courts. But Glickstein said if the Supreme Court doesn't find the marriage void, it will make it harder for people to challenge fraudulent marriages.
No matter what the truth was, no matter how big a lie it was, no matter whether that court had power or not, you're not going to be allowed to complain about it.
The Supreme Court will hear those arguments tomorrow in the new Kauai Court complex out in Kauai.
All right, thanks, Daryl.